Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, I want to talk about the podcast that Usnem Selig went on. I watched the full interview for you. I watched the full interview for you so that, you know what, you don't have to go and watch the full one. But overall, guys, I think this was a good episode. I honestly feel by the time Umselegu and his children and the Mselegus as a whole, when they watch this episode, I think they're really going to be proud of Sne. I love the way she spoke. There's nothing I can really even critique about Usne. I think she kind of carried that whole interview, because besides that, I felt like it was going to be boring, but because it's name Selegu, like I loved it. Another thing that I love about Usne, you guys, is that she's not the type of person that's gonna lie. I don't like watching people that, like, when, like, if you're getting asked questions, like, I'm not sure whether you're gonna tell the truth or whether, like, don't waste our time like that. But one thing about Usne, she won't lie. So I think she was quite respectful in a lot of things she said. And I'm happy with the interview, but there's something I want to talk about that I'm just like, Sne. One being, she mentioned something that I didn't know about. She said Tando's father and Usamkelo's father, Tando and Usamkelo are kids, is actually one person. I actually thought Tando no babwake and then Usamke no uno babwak. I thought she had two baby daddies, but she did debunk that and said no, it is actually one man. And that man she has been dating for 12 years, and the reason why they broke up is because the guy likes women. Okay, that's that. And then we've all been seeing hints, guys, that Usne is in love. And listen, girl, is she really seems like she's in love. The guy that's in her life, she's really speaking well of him, and she said the guy was basically saying to Sne that uleli pezwe mali, but you don't see it. And you know what, I agree, Sne is sleeping on top of money. I mean, she's Lego. I really hope even when she came to that podcast that she charged them or something, because she can make such a large living out of all them Selegu children, guys. Usne was the one who was much more exposed to the camera on Izingane Zesthembu than the other children. Abompumelelo, they came later. So Usne must really, like, she must stop sleeping on herself. So Sne says this guy opened up her eyes to many things. He made her open up her mind. She says that this guy is here for the right reasons and he's not there to use her. Um, and yeah, she's basically speaking well of the guy, saying, you know, like wedding bells, like this is the type of guy she sees herself settling down with. Like you can see a person, guys, that speaks about someone that they love, and it really looks like Usne is in love. You know what? Sometimes, guys, we never know. Sne says that the guy's not there for money, but he keeps telling her that she's sleeping on top of money. Pella, there's some men who are patient enough. They can be patient enough to get you to a point of where you're making money so that they can benefit. But at the end of the day, at this point, he really does seem like he's a good guy for Usne, because Sne even mentioned something that the guy was saying that you need to start acting like a bigger sister to your siblings so that they can respect you. And I've been saying that, you guys, that Sne wants respect, but she doesn't give respect and she doesn't act like an older sister. That's why maybe they don't respect her. So the guy, it looks like he really is giving a perspective on stuff. So I really do hope, you know, guys, that this is it for Usne. Sne says they speak, you know, Boma 2 hours, 3 hours, or 5 hours till the AMs talking on the phone. You know, that puppy, that mixed love. Guys, remember mixed love, where you speak to a person the whole night. You guys are like that much in love. That's all you guys want to do is just speak on the phone. That type of vibe. So yeah, you guys, I'm sure you've seen the guy's picture on the screen right now. This guy, Usne, before a few days before the podcast, she actually posted his picture and she put a song on his picture titled Best Thing. So I guess this guy is the best thing that has yet to happen to Usne. Listen, I wish Usne all the best. it is confirmed that season 8 of Izingane Zesthembu is coming out, and she says her relationship with the father is a lot better. And I really hope that, things between her and the Sky really go well, because everyone's deserving of love, and Usne loves love. So you know what? All the best to them. Tell me what you guys thought about this interview, you guys, and what Usne said about the Sky. Usne did say that she doesn't know how to differentiate or tell the difference between when a guy is there for the right reasons or not. But tell me what you think about the guy and what Usne said and your observation of her body language when she was speaking about the guy. Anyway, please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.